RPYSM!
RPYSM! RPYSM! RPYSM! RPYSM! RPYSM!
Kirkland House! I love you!
We love you too!
Oh, every single one of you!
We love you, Rowan!
We love you back! Sophomores!
Most interesting sophomore!
Sophomores, welcome to the house. I think you got a taste of it. I think you liked it. I think you want to come back for some more. Juniors, you're like a fine wine. That's maturing. So you got one more year. Work on it. Get those flavors in. Right, Tom? And Blue. Seniors. I could have done it without you. We could have done it without each other. You're the best there ever was. I will miss you, but here's to a fantastic formal and a fantastic year ahead. Thank you!
Yes!